Hi, this is a quick video on how to create a bisector of an angle. So I've got some tools here. I've got my triangle, I got my pulling tractor, my garden tractor, my protractor. But I'm gonna just start out by making any old random angle. So I'm just gonna make an angle here. And it doesn't matter how big this angle is, but again, this goes right in your notes, just make an angle. The next step, or the first step in this process, and again, we're bisecting this angle. I could take my farm tractor here, my protractor. I always get that messed up. Take my garden tractor here, and I can measure that out and see that that's like 47 degrees. Well, it's really hard to find half a degree because half of 47 is going to require me to find half of a degree. So this is an easier method. I'm going to take my compass, and we've noticed in the past that our compass is a very handy tool. I'm going to put the point of my compass right here, as you can see, and I'm just going to extend my compass out most of the way of this angle. I know it says like halfway, but I basically want to draw an arc that goes from one side of the angle to the other. So there's my arc. The next thing it tells me is that I need to bisect that arc. So the reason we covered bisector of an arc is because, well, we need it here. So the same steps, if you forgot the steps, I'm just going to go through these real quick and do them, but basically we need to set our compass to more than halfway. In the notes it says 3/4, and then it says create an arc from each end. So you notice I'm going from each end of that arc. And then the last thing that I need to do is take one of my triangles, and I need to draw a line from here, and again that's a placeholder in my pencil, to here. That creates the bisector of the arc. So there's the bisector of the arc. Now what that does is this point and this point, if I connect them, it will cut this angle exactly in half. Like perfect. If I did everything right, this will be perfect. So I'm just going to take my triangle here and go right through that point, and a lot of times it'll line up perfect with that line. If it doesn't, that's okay. I can prove that that's accurate by taking my compass, swinging this back so it goes right through that point, and a sharp compass is really critical. Yay, it does go through that point. Check that out. And if I do this too, it should go through that same point. Look, it does. So that tells me I'm exactly halfway. To label these parts, and just like we've done before, so this is our little instruction manual that we're making. That was step A, to create the arc. I'm going to circle this point because it incorporates all of this bisector. And again, you need to look up bisector of an arc to learn how to do that again. And then lastly, this line would be step C. So that's how you create a bisector of an arc. Do another one, show me what it looks like. I'm excited to see what it looks like, and let me know if I can help. Look forward to hearing from you.